Anybus products go through substantial testing in a local facility at Halmstad University before being entered into the field. The semiotic chamber there allows engineers to test radar, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and other short-range radio equipment. This room is sealed to ensure no outside factors impact the product beyond the test. Of course, the device still needs to be connected through cabling, which is fed into the room through a copper-sealed tube. To account for this necessary outside factor, the engineers test the room before starting their own tests. This is called an ambiance measurement. They then can cancel this out from the results to get the most accurate numbers. The value of the testing is to make sure the device is robust and can handle electromagnetic environments. We also want to test to make sure it does not disturb other products around it in the field. We caught the team testing a PLC with an Anybus embedded device. They are transferring data to the PLC, and the Anybus CompactCom is analyzing it before sending it back. This is all while the device is being impacted from waves emitting from the antenna above. With the antenna, they can radiate energy out to test the product to see if it is impacted by the disruption. This test is important to ensure the device can function while near other devices emitting signals of their own. The antenna can be moved in different directions laterally and be flipped to impact the device at different angles. And the table the device rests on can spin 360 degrees to test every side of the device. From outside the room, the engineers are receiving data from the device that is being imported into the computer program. They can access if there are any faults in the device, and if so, what area they are emitting from. Because the errors are not visible, this data is important when trying to solve the problem. Based on it and years of experience, they can take predictions of what part of the product needs to be addressed and can test for that. There is an active camera inside of the sealed room to make sure they have eyes on the product at all times. An example of testing is to see if older products can be used with modern issues. They can test what recommendations can be made to solve these problems. In the additional room, we can test anything that needs a sealed area, such as cable testing or using an XY table to create a 3D map of the device. This allows them to measure where signals are emitting from to find trouble spots. The main challenge the engineers are focused on is testing for the high industrial certifications Anybus products need before being entered into the field. To learn more, visit our website, anybus.com.